Welcome. Today, we're diving into a helpful guide on how to unhide a group chat on WhatsApp web using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've ever locked a group chat and are now looking to access it again, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the simple steps you need to follow. First, open your web browser and head over to whatsapp.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. After you're in, look at the top of the screen for the search bar. Next, click on the search bar. This is where you can find your hidden chats. Type in the secret code that you set up for your locked chats. This is crucial for accessing your group chat. After entering the secret code, press enter, and you'll see your locked chats pop up. Click on the group chat that you want to unhide. Now, right-click on the group chat icon. A menu will appear, and here, you'll want to select the option that says Unlock Chat. Finally, a prompt will ask you to enter the secret code again. Once you do that, simply click Continue. And just like that, your group chat will be unlocked and ready for you to enjoy. And that's it. You've successfully unhided a group chat on WhatsApp web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting!